Do you love social media? Do you spend hours scrolling? Guess what? You can turn that time into cash. That's right, you can make money using social media. Lots of people are doing it. You can too. It's all about turning your passion into profit. Love taking photos? Share them online. Great at makeup tutorials? Make videos. Find your niche and share it with the world. You never know who's watching. Don't believe you can make money on social media? Think again. People just like you are making a living online. Take Sarah, for example. She loves baking. She started sharing pictures of her creations on Instagram. Now, she has her own bakery and gets tons of orders through Instagram. Or how about John? He's a fitness fanatic. He started posting workout routines on TikTok. He got so popular that he now has his own fitness app and workout gear line. These are just two examples of the endless possibilities. Ready to join the social media money-making revolution? Great! First, choose your platform. Are you a visual storyteller? Instagram is your friend. Do you love short, catchy videos? TikTok is calling. Pick one platform to start and really learn it. Once you've chosen your platform, create a profile that pops. Use a clear, high-quality profile picture. Write a catchy bio that tells people who you are and what you're about. Make it easy for people to find and follow you. Want to make money on social media? You need followers. The more followers you have, the more people see your content. And the more people see your content, the higher your chances of making money. How do you get followers? Be consistent. Post regularly so people have a reason to follow you. Use relevant hashtags so people can find you. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments, ask questions, and run contests. Make it a two-way street. Section 5. Find brands, get paid. Once you have a decent following, it's time to find brands to work with. Look for brands that align with your niche and values. Don't be afraid to reach out to them. Send them a polite and professional message about how you can help them reach a wider audience. You can also join influencer marketing platforms. These platforms connect brands with influencers. It's a great way to find brands that are looking for people like you. Section 6. Make awesome content. The key to success on social media is simple. Create amazing content. Your content should be engaging, informative, or entertaining. Ideally, it should be all three. Think about your audience. What do they want to see? What problems do they have that you can help them solve? Give them value, and they'll keep coming back for more. Section 7. Be real, be you. In the world of social media, authenticity is king. People can spot a fake from a mile away. Be yourself, share your passions, your quirks, and even your flaws. People connect with realness. Don't be afraid to show your personality. Be genuine, be relatable, and be you. That's what will make you stand out from the crowd. Section 8. Don't give up. Building a successful social media presence takes time and effort. You won't get thousands of followers overnight. Don't get discouraged. Keep creating great content, engaging with your followers, and putting yourself out there. The more you put into it, the more you'll get out of it. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and don't give up on your dreams. Section 9. Start your hustle. So, what are you waiting for? The world of social media is your oyster. Find your niche, create amazing content, and connect with brands. You have the power to turn your passion into profit. Start small, dream big, and never stop hustling. Your social media empire awaits.